Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up a stop loss on Thinkorswim Mobile. First, open the Thinkorswim mobile application on your device. Navigate to the Trade tab or directly access your open positions. Select the specific security for which you wish to place a stop loss order. This crucial step ensures you are applying the protection to the correct investment. We will then proceed to the order entry screen to configure your stop loss parameters. Once you have selected your desired security, you will be taken to the order entry screen. Here, you will see various options for placing trades. Look for the order type field, which typically defaults to limit or market. We need to change this to a stop order to initiate our stop loss protection. This screen is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize your trade parameters precisely before execution. Now let's configure the stop loss order itself. Tap on the order type and select Stop or Stop Market. Next, input your specific stop price. This is the price point at which your order will trigger. Then, confirm the quantity of shares or contracts you wish to protect. For continuous coverage, set the time in force to good till canceled, ensuring your stop loss remains active until you manually cancel it. Before finalizing, always take a moment to thoroughly review your order details. Double-check the stop price, the quantity, and the order type to ensure everything is accurate. Once you are confident, tap the Confirm button to submit your stop loss order. After submission, you can monitor its status in the Orders tab within the Thinkorswim mobile app. This final check helps prevent any unintended trades and ensures your protection is in place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.